How to delete right profile in Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your right profile in Uber. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your Uber app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in here, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you tap on account option, you'll get various options here. What you want to do is you want to tap on the settings icon. There you can see settings icon, and once in settings you want to find the option privacy and tap on privacy. Now once you tap on privacy, this page will open up. Again, tap on privacy center option and another page will load up. Now here you can see another page loaded up. If you scroll down all the way down below under account security, you'll find the account deletion. Simply tap on account deletion option and it'll ask you for your email or phone number. Now what you want to do is you want to type in your email here. I'll just type in my email here quickly, and once you type in your email, simply tap on next. It'll ask you for code here. Now once you type in your code, you should be able to get the code here. You can see I've got my code. It's 3540, and once you tap on it, it'll take you to next page and it'll ask you to enter in your code that you have been sent at your Gmail as well. And once you enter your code here, you'll be asked to confirm your account deletion, and once you do so, it'll be deleted. So this way you can delete your right profile in Uber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.